Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to easily log out or sign out of the exness.com account using your laptop or your PC. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open any web browser on your device and go to the URL box and type in exness.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the home page of Exness. Make sure that you are logged into your account first in order to find the logout button. After you're in, go to the upper right corner and click on the human icon at the top right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on Sign Out. Before signing out, make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can get access to your exness.com account again. And once you do that, you have successfully logged out or signed out of Exness. So there you have it. You can log back in anytime you want by entering the correct credentials and you'll be good to go. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.